Welcome to Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring growth opportunities in body and white inspection landscape, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding and what it means for future-ready businesses. Automotive manufacturers are operating in a period of unprecedented complexity. Electric vehicle platforms are introducing new materials, tighter tolerances, and battery-critical structures. At the same time, regionalized supply chains are reducing tolerance for quality variation across plants. And here's the reality. Quality issues introduced early in production now carry disproportionate cost, risk, and downstream disruption. That's why BIW Inspection is no longer just a downstream quality check. It's becoming a strategic lever for resilience, cost control, and zero-defect manufacturing.
Traditionally, BIW Inspection was treated as a compliance function, often offline, sample-based, and reactive. But that model is breaking down. Frost & Sullivan's analysis shows that the global BIW inspection market is on track to reach over $360 million by 2030, driven by investments in automation, digital quality systems, and EV-specific inspection capabilities. For OEMs and C-suite leaders, the imperative is clear. BIW inspection strategies must evolve in lockstep with automation, software-enabled quality systems, and scalable global deployment. Those that don't risk higher scrap rates, production delays, and costly recalls, especially in EV programs.
Let's start with disruptive technologies. BIW inspection platforms are rapidly adopting automation, advanced optics, and AI-enabled analytics. The focus is shifting toward inline measurement and faster defect detection before issues propagate downstream. Vendors that combine high-precision hardware with software-driven workflows and analytics are emerging as leaders in next-generation BIW inspection. The second imperative is internal challenges. Rising system costs, integration complexity, and shortages of skilled metrology professionals are pushing manufacturers away from manual, offline inspection. OEMs and suppliers are increasingly prioritizing automated, standardized inspection architectures that are easier to deploy, scale, and maintain. The third imperative is driven by transformative megatrends. EV adoption, Industry 4.0 initiatives, and supply chain localization are increasing demand for scalable, software-enabled inspection platforms, especially those that integrate with MES, digital twins, and enterprise quality systems.
So what technologies are shaping growth? Coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs, continue to play a role in reference measurement and calibration, but their offline nature limits throughput in high-volume environments. Optical digitizers and scanners represent the largest and fastest-growing segment. They offer non-contact, high-speed, full-surface inspection, well-suited to EV architectures and mixed materials. Flexible measurement systems are gaining traction as OEMs pursue inline automation and continuous quality monitoring. And laser radar is emerging for large assemblies and reflective surfaces, where traditional systems struggle. Across all of these technologies, one thing is clear. Software, analytics, and integration capabilities are becoming just as critical as hardware accuracy.
Several forces are reshaping the BIW inspection industry. On the growth side, EV manufacturing is increasing inspection complexity, driving demand for advanced non-contact solutions that support lightweight materials and battery-critical tolerances. There's also a strong shift toward 100% inline inspection as OEMs replace offline, sampling-based approaches with real-time quality monitoring. And supply chain regionalization is creating opportunities for standardized, globally deployable BIW inspection platforms across new plants and supplier networks. At the same time, challenges remain. High capital investment requirements, system integration complexity, and skills gaps continue to slow adoption, particularly for Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers. This is where new growth opportunities are emerging. AI-enabled inspection platforms, turnkey deployment models, and scalable solutions that reduce complexity while improving quality outcomes.
The BIW inspection landscape remains moderately fragmented, with more than 20 active players competing across hardware, software, and automation. Market leadership is concentrated among a few players with strong OEM relationships and end-to-end metrology portfolios, while others compete through niche applications, regional strength, or cost-sensitive offerings. What's changing is the role of BIW Inspection itself. It's moving from a quality control function to a strategic pillar of automotive manufacturing. As EV complexity, regionalized production, and zero-defect goals intensify, organizations that adopt inline, software-driven, and scalable inspection strategies will be best positioned to manage risk, control costs, and remain competitive through 2030.
So the real question for automotive leaders becomes this: is your BIW inspection strategy keeping pace with the realities of EV manufacturing and global production complexity, or holding it back? If you want a deeper view into the growth opportunities shaping the BIW inspection market, access the full analysis and subscribe for more conversations on the technologies transforming automotive manufacturing. Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.